Here we are with the SimPole. This both had about 3 years. This hose here is the best on the market because it's already 2 years old and it's a self-sealing hose, and you can go all day long and go like that. We got the new Ederay brush, which is going to start coming on SimPoles now. In fact, we'll probably give you the 14-inch, and got these over here.
Oh, you did those.
Got the 14-inch and the 18-inch that will come on all of the 60-foot SimPoles. What's fantastic about the SimPole, of course, we got little plastic ends, but look at here. Hold up. Look at the wear on this, and yet it's not splinting, and I can just cut it off. But what we have caps. Another thing about the SimPole, look at this. If we push down, you can't hit the side of the glass, and that's something it took me 10 years to perfect. And that's how we have high mod. If your pole is hitting the building, you need to get a SimPole. And we have caps now that go on the bottom. Anyways, drop sections. The new Sims are 5.5, go up to 60 feet, 12 pounds. And when you get a system down, we've been here less than an hour and we're done. So you guys that are laddering, this is a lesson to you. I know, I've laddered for 35 years. I'd still be up there in the top, laddering, risking my life. And here, with the water-fed way, we're done. There's no way ever that a ladder guy can knock all this out in an hour, or 2 or 3 or 4 ladder guys. And we have the system, so there's 200 feet of hose here. So he's catching that. We got here a little late, probably about 5:30, 5:45. It's about 6:30, so an hour or so. And look at the shine. And we're filling up with water. And we have a secret, which all you guys can have. Once you start selling them, we have a Tech 7 that helps hard water not to stick. So what we're doing now, here's the newer SimPole. So we're filling up with water, but if I want to do a fast refill, I can just put on straight DI and turn off the RO. So now I call this a fast refill. It goes right through the DI, and we'll fill this up and we'll move the van and get the other side. So we actually have a Tech 7 that's brand new, and this one's almost a year and a half, or at least a year old. We're gonna send that back so we can see how much corrosion on the inside. Now here's the new Sim 22, the best high mod short pole in the market. I think the Unger is 1400. This is 875. And it's beautiful. It's really the best pole I ever made. It has 2 different styles of levers, and what you can do with this is this goes up 22 feet, because with it being short, it doesn't bend. And then we have 6 more sections, so that makes it a 52-foot pole. And these are all short because I'm short. I'm tired of 8-foot sections, and it works beautiful. I'll show you in a minute once I get set up.